10 tips for a successful real estate investment. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Research the market. Before investing in real estate, it's essential to understand the local market. Research property prices, demographics, trends, and rental rates to gain insight into the area's potential for investment. Set goals and a budget. Determine your investment goals, whether it's rental income or long-term appreciation. Establish a budget for the purchase, renovation, and maintenance costs of the property. Define your investment goals. Determine what you hope to achieve through your real estate investment. Do you want to generate rental income or hold the property long-term for appreciation? Understanding your investment goals will help you identify properties that align with your objectives. Assess your financial situation. Take an honest look at your finances to determine how much you can afford to invest. Consider your income, expenses, debts, and credit score to establish a realistic budget. Calculate your return on investment, ROI. Before investing, calculate your potential ROI by factoring in expected rental income, property expenses, and potential appreciation. Use this information to determine if the investment is worth pursuing. Choose the right location. Location is crucial in real estate. Consider the accessibility, neighborhood, amenities, and potential for future development in the area. Understand financing options. Explore different financing options and choose the one that works best for your financial situation, whether it's a conventional mortgage or an investor loan. Build a network. Build relationships with real estate agents, contractors, and property managers who can help you find the right property, handle renovations, and manage the property. Attend industry events. Attend real estate events such as conferences, seminars, and workshops to meet industry professionals and learn about current trends and best practices. Partner with experienced investors. Partnering with experienced investors can help you gain valuable insights and access to deals that may not be available to the general public. Make data-driven decisions. Analyze market data, rental rates, and other relevant information to make informed investment decisions. Plan for maintenance and repairs. Budget for ongoing maintenance and repairs to keep the property in good condition and maintain its value. Hire a property manager. Consider hiring a professional property manager to handle day-to-day operations and ensure that the property is well maintained and rented out efficiently. Stay up to date. Stay up to date with market trends, regulations, and tax laws that may affect your investment. Attend real estate conferences, read industry publications, and consult with experts to stay informed. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.